Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we make everyday tasks a bridge. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly find your saved items on Zara application. Let's get started. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now you have to tap onto the shopping bag icon from the down bar of your screen. Here on the screen you can see all of your saved items. You can tap on any of them to view details, check availability and add them to the cart. Or you can tap onto the favorite section. Here you can see all your favorite items that you have saved. You just have to simply tap on add and the item will be automatically added to the cart. And that's it. Now you know how to find your saved items on the Zara app in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.